breakfast. And there is cappuccino.
Kind of like yesterday, Jerusalem terms, when we know that King David lived more than 3,000. The Jews will tell you, Jerusalem is the holiest place in the world. Why? You see over there that it's gold dome? It's called the Dome of the Rock. This way, this mural helps us imagine probably what we would have seen. Again, a busy street filled with cars.
This is a very long lineup to get into the Temple Mount. It's only open for 1 hour. And this is the time where non-Muslims can enter. And even though I grew up Muslim, I'm non-practicing, so I am in this line with everybody else.
The sky looks very blue.
Dome of the Rock.
So much rain. Go inside to go into the basement. You must be Muslim, and they give you a Muslim test. You need to recite some prayers in Arabic to be allowed passage into the colors of these columns. Beautiful. Sound of olives over here.
So I've completed my Israel-style Camino de Santiago and visited the spot where St. James' head is buried in Jerusalem here in the Armenian St. James Cathedral. And it's just a wonderful feeling to do a different sort of Camino, but a Camino nonetheless.
Looks pretty plain, but it's beautiful inside.
I'm here in this great bookshop, and I've picked up an assortment of postcards for my Patreon people and my mom, and I'm going to be sending them off now. So much water. There are just way too many lineups in here, so I'm going to come back another time to have a proper visit of this church because there's so many peeps. It's hard for me to move around. Here with Tamar and that guy Luke.
Inside, Tamar's favorite wine bar. It's so close.
Hi, cheers. Cheers.
קודם כל חצי, זה חצי קטן, ואפילו אני גם אקח את זה.
תקשיבה, לא שאתה שוטים, אני כאילו יין בבירה. I'm gonna die. With short ribs. And she told me she came to Sansana and it was really nice.
Are you taking a video of yourself eating your hamburger?
Yeah! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to me! 70 years old! 70 years old! חברים, וואו, מרגש. I'm so excited, you know? Because the first time I'm really very, very
exciting. You know?
Yeah!
Suddenly I understand all my life. Because all the life is bullshit.
Yeah.
What's the matter is to be a good positive. Because everything is a positive.
Woo!
Everything, good vibes. Being good vibes, you will be in a good world. I'm right?
You're right!
Tell me the truth.
Woo!
You know me. You understand me.
Yeah!
You know the truth. We are together. We are, you know.
I can't dance.
You're a
I'm begging
good
you, I'm begging
dancer.
you.
You're a
I'm begging you.
wonderful
I want to
dancer.
dance. This is my wish for the birthday.
Yeah?
Please make it.
Oh, brother.
Don't be shy. Don't say such bullshit. You are not shy. Wow, you're a good dancer. You are a good dancer. Who are you? Let me, you know, how is your name? What is your name?
My name is Luke. I can't keep up with this. You're a crazy dancer.
That's like me. That's
Yeah? Like this?
Be crazy.
I'm done.
We have to just see everybody here.
Yeah?
It's just in my mind.
I'm world famous now. You do realise that, right? Oh my god. No, I can't. I'm done.
Drink a little bit. You have to get run.
I'm too old for this. I am. I'm 27 and a half. Oh god. Happy birthday.
How was that?
I need to be resting my feet. I don't need to be dancing. I need to conserve my energy. Mazel tov. Happy birthday.